Welcome to Frontline. In this video, I'm going to show you within the DT section how to make a DT entry and run some of those DT reports. So underneath the DT tab here, we're going to select on the Entry tab. We're going to select Defensive Tactics, and this is how we're going to make our DT entry. So you're going to go ahead and select that officer, the date they qualified, what they qualified with. If you do scoring, you can put that in. Did they pass? Did they fail? Who the instructor was. You can make any notes about that qualification. You can upload any documents that pertain to that qualification. And then you're going to go ahead and hit Save Entry. Once you hit Save, you can then go to the DT roster, go to that officer who just completed that qualification. Now you're going to see it under this list here as they qualified with. Some of the reports you can run. So underneath the Reports tab, for the DT report, this is a good area to see who has qualified with what. So if we want to look at a certain weapon, we can see everybody that's qualified with their taser, when they qualified, who qualified, did they pass, did they fail. You can export this out into a PDF and/or Excel. The DT overview is going to show you a list of all those officers, those qualifications at the top. If the box is blank, that means they have not completed that qualification. If it's green, that means they're good. Yellow means they're 6 months or less from expiring. Red means they have expired. You can print this off into a PDF and/or Excel as well. The next report is going to be the missing DT report. So if I just hit search, this is going to show me everybody that's missing a qualification and what it is. The DT weapon list, if I want to see everybody that is assigned a taser, I can easily pull that up here. I can see all these officers here are assigned a taser. Again, this is printable by PDF and/or Excel. The equipment list report, this is a good way if you have anything that's going to expire to see when it does expire. So we know body armor expires, so I can go ahead and select that, hit search. This is going to show me everybody that's assigned that body armor and when it's going to expire. Your DT Armory report is going to show you all those DT weapons you have available to assign out if need be. And then you're going to have your Equipment Armory report, which is going to show you all your equipment you have available to be assigned out if need be. Both of those reports are printable by PDF and/or Excel. Thank you for watching this video.